Hello friends and teachers, here we have come back with most important thing to remember in chapter arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression. In this chapter, all these questions can appear for 1 mark MCQ. General term of AP. General term of AP is given by AN equals A plus N minus 1 into D. Sum of n terms of an AP is Sn equals n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn equals n by 2 into a plus an. Remember to use proper brackets. Sum to n terms of natural numbers. Sn equals n into n plus 1 by 2. Sum of first and odd natural numbers. Sn equals n square. Sum of first and even natural numbers. Sn equals n plus 1. First question. If an equals 3n plus 4, then a equals. This is a simple question, can be asked for 1 marks MCQ. This is very important as it comes in exam for 1 mark MCQ. If they are asking a, in place of a we should write 1. A1 equals 3 into 1 plus 4. 3 ones are 3 plus 4. A1. So your A is 7. Find sum of 10 terms of AP 2, 3, 4. In this you can use any of these formula. As we don't know the last term, we should use first formula. Sn equals n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn n is 10 by 2 into 2 into a is 2 plus n is 10 minus 1 into d. 3 minus 2 is 1. So d is 1. 10 minus 2 is 10 divided by 2 is 5. 2 2s are 4. 9. 10 minus 1 9 into 1. So 5 into 4 plus 9 equals 5. 5 into 9 plus 4 is 13. 5 3s are 15. 1 carry on 65. So your answer is 65. Find sum of 20 terms of AP 2, 3, 4. Last term is 21. Here we can use either of this formula. As we know, first term and last term, we shall use this formula. So n is 20, a is 2, d is not needed, an equals 21. Sn equals n by 2 into a plus an. N is 20 by 2, a is 2 plus an is 21. 20 by 2 is 10. This is 23. 10 into 23 is 230. So your S20 equals 230. Find sum of 10 natural numbers. As we have learned the formula, sum to n terms of natural numbers is Sn equals n into n plus 1 by 2. So they have asked 10. So n equals 10. Sn equals n into n plus 1 by 2 divided by 2 equals 10 into 10 plus 1 by 2. This is 10 into 11 divided by 2. This is 110 by 2 equals 55. So your answer is 55. Find sum of first 20 odd natural numbers. As we have learned the formula, sum of 20 odd natural numbers is n square. Sn equals n square. N is 20, so 20 square. 20 square is nothing but 20 into 20. That is 400. So your answer is 400. Find sum of first 20 even natural numbers. As we have learned the formula, sum of first and even natural numbers is Sn into n plus 1. So n is 20. Sn into equals n into n plus 1. 20 into 20 plus 1 equals 20 into 21. 20 into 21 is nothing but 410. Sorry, it's not 410, it's 420. So these are some of the questions that can appear in exam for 1 mark MCQ. Practice them and apply relevant formula for relevant problem. Remember the formula properly. Everyday practice 5-6 formulas of each chapter so that it becomes perfect for you. All the best for your exams. Take care.